Hey guys, so I had a completely different idea for this video, and then I found Treasure Books on YouTube. I love her and her channel, and she inspired this today. So you're going to need some pretty thin paper, and you will see why in a minute. So it can be cardstock, just not too thick. Pick out some scrapbook paper. Whatever you want, that doesn't matter. This part won't matter. You can have thick, thin, but the paper you're drawing on needs to be somewhat thinner. It don't have to be like copy paper, but nothing too crazy. Excuse me, y'all. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a basic tree. She made these out of fabric and they were absolutely gorgeous, and I wanted to try and recreate them using paper. So we're just going to draw a simple basic tree. This is very easy. This is good for adults to do. This is good for kids to do. My son even made one. I will show you guys that at the end of the video. He saw me making one, and then he asked if he could try, so he made his own. Now we're going to take a Sharpie, and we're going to trace over that. And that Sharpie, you'll be able to see to the back of the paper. And that's why I said we need a thinner paper for this. That way we know where our tree is and where we need to cut it out. This is very artsy. It's fun. It's addicting. You can do any shape you want. You can do heart, circle. She even did a very pretty butterfly. Any shape you want. See how you can see through it? And that's what we need right there. Now we're going to cut some of that excess white paper off. And here's the fun part. We get to rip up paper. So I'm not going to do it all on video. I'm going to rip it up, get my pile set, and then I'll be back. So we're going to take some Fairly Art glue, and we're just going to start randomly putting on our pieces. Now this paper, I noticed, was light on one side and dark on the other, which worked out great. And then you can just start gluing it down. All over your tree, wherever you want it. You can do bright colors, you can do dark colors, whatever you want to do. You could even do like tea-dyed paper, you could do coffee-dyed paper. This is what's so fun about it. And artsy. These turn out so cute. So I want to thank Treasure Books for the inspiration for this. Y'all, I will link her channel in my description box. She does some really awesome things. And she's very easy to learn from. Not overwhelming at all. And definitely if you like junk journaling, you'll really enjoy her channel. See how we're just placing it pieces wherever we want. We're going to cover the entire thing. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you me covering this entire tree. I know that would be boring. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys give it a try. Try it with your kids. Try it with your grandkids. A nice family fun project for sure. Don't worry, I'm almost done with this part. But look how pretty it's already looking. I love all the colors. It reminds me of spring. Trying to get away from this cold weather. And there we have it. See, we've got the trunk covered. And now, see how we can see the tree on the back? Now we know where to cut our tree. I hope you guys give this a try. I hope you guys are having a good week. I hope you subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Maybe share it out with your friends. Definitely go check out Treasure Books. She's so relaxing to watch too, y'all. And that's very important to me. So there are no wrong answers to this, y'all. No rules. Just have fun. Don't worry about everything matching either. Just have fun with it and create your own look. You could do a heart since Valentine's Day is coming up. Add these to cards, make a tag, or just glue it directly in your journal. Whatever you want to do. Or if you like to sew, definitely check out that video of hers. I will link the video too, her channel and the video, so you know exactly which one to go to. So if you like to sew, there you go. Now we're going to create our own stitching. Since I don't sew as of right now, I'm going to bring you in just a second closer so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I'm just slightly curving my lines and then making dot on each side so it looks like stitches. I'm not going to make you watch me do every single stitch on this tree. But where the paper was ripped onto the other piece is where I did my stitching. It's kind of like whimsical, and I don't know, it's really cute. You can make them as big as you want to. That's another thing. I made this one kind of big. That way y'all can see it real good. I did make one that fits a card. So I made a card to show y'all. An Artsy card. See, there we go. Look how cute that is with all the stitches. Now I'm going to take a Sharpie and outline my tree so it stands out more. But I hope you guys enjoy this idea. I hope you check her out. Subscribe to her channel. I'm telling you, there is so much inspiration in her channel. There's multiple channels, with inspiration, but today it's Treasure Books. Yes. And here we go. I'm going to show you my card. I did another shape for y'all. Here's my Artsy card. I did another shape for y'all, and then you're going to see my sons. And I hope you guys have a great week. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.